Welcome to the introduction of turning passion into profit. Content creation is more than just a hobby. It's a real career path. YouTubers and bloggers are the new entrepreneurs, building businesses around their passions. But, passion alone won't pay the bills. Monetization is key to turning your content creation into a sustainable income stream. It's about getting what you deserve for the value you provide. Remember, you're building a business, and businesses need to make money to survive and thrive. Monetizing your content allows you to invest back into your craft. Better equipment, software, and even collaborations become possible when you have revenue flowing in. This means higher quality content, which in turn attracts a larger audience. It's a positive cycle that benefits everyone. You're providing value to your viewers and readers, and monetization allows them to give back and support your work. But monetization isn't just about making money. It's about valuing your time, effort, and creativity. It's about recognizing that you're providing something valuable to the world. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, your content has worth. Monetization is simply the process of attaching a monetary value to that worth. This guide will explore various monetization strategies, including advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. We'll delve into real-life examples to illustrate how these methods work and how you can implement them effectively. Get ready to transform your passion into profit and take your content creation journey to the next level. Let's talk about the power of ads, small screens, big bucks. Advertising is often the first monetization method that comes to mind for content creators. It's a simple concept: display ads on your content, and you earn revenue based on views or clicks. Platforms like YouTube and Google AdSense make it incredibly easy for creators to get started with advertising. By partnering with these platforms, you gain access to a vast network of advertisers looking to reach your audience. Take the example of PewDiePie, a YouTuber with over 100 million subscribers. While his primary income comes from a variety of sources, advertising plays a significant role. Every view, every click on those ads translates into revenue for him. This illustrates the incredible earning potential of advertising, especially for creators with massive reach. But you don't need to be a mega influencer to benefit from ads. Even smaller creators with engaged audiences can generate substantial income through ads. The key is to create high-quality content that keeps viewers hooked. The longer they watch, the more ads they see, and the more revenue you earn. It's a win-win situation for both you and your audience. Remember, engagement is key. However, it's important to strike a balance. Bombarding your audience with excessive ads can be detrimental. No one wants their viewing experience interrupted every few minutes. The key is to integrate ads seamlessly and strategically within your content. You want to maximize your earnings without compromising the viewing experience for your audience. Now let's dive into sponsorships, finding the perfect match. Sponsorships offer a more integrated approach to monetization. Instead of simply displaying ads, you partner with brands to promote their products or services within your content. These partnerships can take many forms, from dedicated product reviews to subtle brand integrations. The key is to find brands that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Consider the case of Marques Brownlee, a tech reviewer with over 16 million subscribers. He's known for his in-depth reviews of smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets. Brands like Samsung, Google, and Apple recognize the value of his audience and often partner with him for sponsored content. These partnerships are mutually beneficial. Brands get their products in front of a highly targeted audience, and Marques gets to create high-quality content while getting paid for it. The key to successful sponsorships is authenticity. Your audience can spot a forced or inauthentic sponsorship a mile away. Choose brands you genuinely believe in and integrate them naturally into your content. When done right, sponsorships can be incredibly lucrative. They offer a more predictable income stream compared to advertising, as you negotiate fixed fees with brands up front. This allows you to plan your content strategy and budget more effectively. Furthermore, sponsorships often come with additional perks. You might receive free products to review, early access to new releases, or even opportunities to collaborate with the brand on exclusive content. This not only benefits you financially, but also enhances your credibility and influence within your niche. Sponsorships are a powerful tool for content creators looking to monetize their passion and build long-term relationships with brands.